I wanted to share Physicians Formula Butter Tinted Lip Conditioner. Let's try it together. But a quick disclaimer here, I received this product free to try. This is the color Brazilian Berry. It glides so smoothly. It's so nice. And the color, very, very natural. And with that cute packaging, look at this little place for your finger. And the wand, you can apply it all day long. I don't have anything on my lips right now. Oh, wow. The color is Pink Paradise. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like being on the beach. It goes on my lips smooth and shiny. And this natural looking color is so pretty for everyday use. And the little applicator makes it so easy to swipe it on your lips. I received this product free to try, but I'm so happy with it.